Hey friends and family, welcome to Marcie Creates. This is Marcie, and look what I have. Didi's Deluxe Bead Box. I'm going to do an unboxing today. And you may have already seen some unboxings, but I'm going to do one anyway because I'm so excited. And I've been busy with other things, and I've been dying and itching to get to this box. So, as we know, it is beautifully packaged. To those of you that don't know, this Didi's Deluxe Bead Box, and I will link the website in my description. It's a once a month box. It sells out very, very quickly. It comes from Quebec, Canada. And Stella, who's the owner, is really lovely. And these are really beautiful curated boxes. And I highly recommend checking them out, as well as some of the other beautiful things on the website. There's custom check strands, there's mixes, there's mystery bundles, and just really beautiful beads on the website. So if you don't want to do the Deluxe Bead Box right away, do check out the website. There are some beautiful, beautiful things on there. And when I say that this box is fabulous, I mean every single syllable. Fabulous. So let's get started. So, of course, it's always packaged beautifully. And I kind of peeked already, as you can see. Couldn't help myself now. And there's always a theme. And this one, this is for May, is Taste of Summer. So it says here, we bring you an edition bursting with bright and vibrant hues of endless fun, igniting our sense of energy and excitement, and inspiring us to fully embrace and enjoy the season ahead. And then you have your materials list. She always includes a bonus. And she says, I hope this month's edition has inspired you. Happy beading. Very inspirational. So I can't wait. Now, I just want you to just gander. Oh. So my mom and I opened this, and we both went, oh. And I do that every time I get one of these boxes, these Didi's Deluxe Bead Boxes, because they're just gorgeous. So, I'm going to put this to the side so we can go through this. And let's see. So let's start with the A Taste of Summer themed Inspired by Czech's designer strand. And that is this beautiful, beautiful, you could just make a bracelet. I mean, first of all, I love elephants, and look at the sheen on this guy. And then you've got bead caps, really pretty kind of spring green pearls, really pretty check, kind of an oval, almost spacer bead. And then look at this beautiful flower bead. I love it. And then I love these drops too in this beautiful lilac. This is such a pretty colorway. And you're going to see this in a lot of the pieces. They really coordinate nicely. Then we have 15-inch 8mm violet mosaic sea sediment jasper. This is gorgeous. Talk about oohing and eyeing. Look at those. Look at them. Oh, I just can't get over it. Those colors are so gorgeous. And you get a 15-inch strand. And look at the coordination we have going. I don't care what combination you're going to put these in, it's going to look amazing. They all coordinate so nicely. Then we have a 13-inch 6x4mm two-tone faceted champagne crystal mix. That's got to be these guys. So you've got some opaque and some champagne, kind of shinier with an AB finish. So that AB is going to pick up, like there's a little bit of that purple I can see. That's really gorgeous. So beautiful. I love that together. Stunning, 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 stunning. Okay, 7.5-inch 8x9mm Mystic Powder Blue glass barrels. Yeah, these are so pretty. I've not seen these before. I love them. They've got a luster, but they're not super shiny. But it's got a little bit of the AB finish in the luster. And they're really smooth. They're really nice to the touch. And again, we're bringing in that blue. Super pretty. Then we have 4.5-inch strand of 6mm sage glass pearls. Oh yeah, these. So this kind of goes along with what was in the strand here. That beautiful spring green. I love it. This is such a pretty palette for summer. Gonna be fun to make jewelry. Can't wait. 15-inch 2mm variegated unicorn crystal mix. Now we also have a Taste of Summer Mystic Crystal Mix. And I don't know which one is which, so I'm going to show you both because they're equally stunning. Well, this one, I'm thinking this one is the Taste of Summer. And look how pretty. So many different colors in there, but they all pick up the colors that we have down here. Just a pretty, pretty mix. And then I think this is the variegated, but look, like a rainbow, like an ombre almost. This has got to be the unicorn one. I would love to just string it like this, to be honest, because that's really pretty the way that that kind of is coordinated. That is so pretty. I love that. Can you see it like a necklace? And maybe this is maybe a multi-strand, and this being on the inside, maybe with a charm. I would love that. It's an idea. All right. 20 pieces of 6mm one-side purple iris check flower beads. That is these guys. Love them. Look at the flash. So stunning. Oh, love these. It's gorgeous. My eyes are just so happy right now. All right. Let's see. 10 pieces of Mystic Moss glass teardrops. Oh, yes. Let me pull out a tray for these. So the AB finish on these picks up all these colors. Look at that. Oh. They almost look like very large raindrops, don't they? I love it. Okay. 10 pieces of 8x9mm fancy Tibetan gold lantern spacers. Yeah, these are pretty. Pretty, pretty. 10 of those. And I love the design and the shape. I love spacers. I think I have a spacer addiction, along with a bead cap addiction. Love those. 3 sets of assorted butterfly charms. Oh yeah. Oop, I just dropped them. You know, it's just not a video without me dropping. Oh boy. Sometimes I just don't. I really don't script this, I promise. It just happens. But these are so, so cute. Oh my word. I can't decide which color I like the best. I like them all. They are precious. Look with this jasper. Telling you. Do try and get one of these boxes. Now, I think they're available like the 12th of every month. And they go quickly. I'll just tell you that. All right, then we also have some assorted flower charms. And these are also super pretty. Just turn these around. I like that they're all different. As you can see, the little turquoise ones have a little pearl. These purple are really cute. And then you got bigger pink ones. Adorable. The other side is got a little bit of a texture. But cute, cute charms. Very playful and summery, in my opinion. All right. One set of Dusty Rose Silk Flower Tassel. Oh, I love these. I love tassels. This is a Dusty Rose. And I do love the flower tassels. I think they're just extra cute. And that's going to look beautiful with everything. Then we have Azure Blue Silk Tassel, 3 inches. And you know I love good tassels. And this is gorgeous. Look at it with all these colors. Ooh la la. I love it. Gold-plated ear wires, 2 sets. And these are kind of the kidney type ones a little bit. These aren't ones I use often, but I sure will use them. I do need to expand my horizons on the ear wires. So I'm kind of glad that these, oh, so we've got one that's kind of like what I usually use. And then these little kidney looking ones. So that's nice. I like that. And then our bonus gift is 1-piece 38mm 14 karat gold plated cubic zirconia connector. Let me get it in here. Look at that. Look at that. It gives me tennis bracelet vibes. Those were popular back in the 80s. For those of you who, like me, had big hair and tennis bracelets. But it make a nice bracelet bar. Isn't that beautiful? It also would be really cool hanging as a pendant. That would be a different way to use it. But that's our bonus. So this is the stunning, beautiful Didi's Deluxe Bead Box for May. A taste of summer. It sure feels summery. All these beautiful pastels. The beautiful blue. You think of how the sky looks in the summer. And also, you know, getting in a pool. It's kind of got that Caribbean blue vibe. Vacations. I love this light spring green. I love these enamel charms. These are just gorgeous. People will see you coming and going with those. And you can do a lot with these. You got quite a few. Beautiful tassels to play with. This jasper, sea sediment mosaic jasper, is gorgeous. And I've not seen it in these colors, and I love it. And then this, with all the variation in color. Maybe that's the variegated one. Variegated unicorn mix. Yeah. Taste of Summer crystal mix. I think it's got to be this. And then, of course, you've got some neutrals to kind of balance out some of this gorgeous color. I mean, these is a lot of colors, but it's not. It's very subtle. Vibrant, but subtle, if that makes any sense. And I really love it. I'm digging it. I'm ready. Got to make some jewelry. So stay tuned for a video making some stuff with this beautiful box. And I will link the Didi's online bead shop in my description. And I'll put a link for some of the things I've tried, which are some mixes. She has designer check strands, like I said. So there you're going to see some really pretty strands. Sometimes she has extras from previous bead boxes, so you do take a gander. She also has a Facebook group. I'll also include that in the description. So thanks for tuning in. I just wanted to share. I know there's probably been some other unboxings, but I just really loved to look at this and go over it in depth on my channel. So I hope you enjoyed. Hope you enjoyed the eye candy, and maybe this will convince you to give it a try. And let me know in the comments if you do. I'd love to know. And I think you won't be disappointed. I think you'll be very pleased, and you will ooh and ah just like my mom and I did when this came in. All right, so hey, thank you so much for tuning in. This is going to be a quick video tonight. Take care of your sweet selves and your families and be safe. And I'll see you on the next one.